Ultimate MvM, sibling to 1m55, 160 level horse Dandy. Ultimate MvM is a sibling to the 160 level competing jumping horse Dandy, who was ridden by several riders including Matt Williams and Caitlin Campbell. He was placed in several Grand Prix already. Both Ultimate MvM's Grand Dam and Great Grand Dam have foaled international show jumpers as well, and this direct family has produced international 150 level horses like Pornstar and Icarus. This Colt is sired by the outstanding Olympic stallion Emerald van Ruytershof, who has sired top-level horses like Igor, Nika van den Bisschop, Emerald van Voorhof and Mandato van de Neerheide.